I couldn't believe it. I did these simple throat exercises for 3 minutes in the morning and hardly snored at all the next night. A few nights later, my snoring was gone entirely and has never returned. That was after being a chronic snorer for decades, you know, the kind that would almost wake up the neighbors. I was even diagnosed with sleep apnea, which scared the life out of me. Anybody can do these throat exercises, no matter age or physical shape. And you need no extra gadgets. Best of all, you can do them almost anywhere, while stuck on a red light or watching TV. I made the following short video to explain the exercises in more detail. They have helped thousands of people, so I hope you'll give them a try. I placed video link in comments.